Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. So look at this cute and adorable Grinch sign. I picked this thing up from Hobby Lobby during their 50% off sale. I think it's still going on. I think they still have a few. This was $99, but it was 50% off, so I didn't spend $99. What I'm going to do is customize this sign. I'm not going to do a whole lot to it because I love the whole Grinch theme. The sign that says leave gifts here. This area there, I'm going to paint over that. I made a Christmas countdown sign last year when we went to Disneyland. I'll show that to you right above here, somewhere on the screen. That was a little bit more detailed because I did everything really just extra. I did the rhinestones and everything, but this one's going to be very easy. Most of the work is done for me. I'm just going to go ahead and paint over the sign. I've already taped off the edges because I wanted the black edges around the sign, but I'm going to use some chalkboard paint, red chalkboard paint, and I'm going to paint over it, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay down what I wanted to say, which was say days until Grinchmas. Now at Universal Studios Hollywood, they have a whole Grinchmas theme going over there, and so this is what that is for. Of course, there's a lot of things to do at Universal Studios Hollywood besides that, but this is the theme. My grandbabies are excited for this, and so this is for them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think, and I'll be back at the end. Thanks for watching. Now, what I wish I had done was put a primer down underneath, well, on top first before laying down the chalkboard paint, but it still worked out. I just had to put several, and I do mean several coats of this chalkboard paint on the sign in between drying. So yeah, that would have been a lot easier, but it still worked out because, I had enough paint, barely had enough paint to cover this up. I think I put about 4 to 5 coats on, I think, just to be able to hide those words that was bleeding through. Okay, so this is what it looked like after the first coat dried, and as you can still see the words underneath it. So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and keep adding my layers of paint. This will be the second layer. Okay, so five layers of paint later, it is dry. You can't see the words underneath it, so it all worked out perfectly like I said, but primer would have been better. But it would have just meant that I'd have more paint left over. I had to use practically all the paint. But now I'm just removing the tape, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the next steps. Alrighty, so the next step, I've already went on ahead off camera and I cut the sign, Countdown to Grinchmas. I cut that out on my Cricut. I downloaded this from Etsy. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this over. This thing is heavy. That's why it was $100. You can either hang this up on the wall or you can use the stand that came with it that's attached to it, and you can just, prop it up. Not even prop it up, just sit it next to your tree or whatever. I don't know where my babies are going to put this sign when it's done, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out, and then I'm going to put the transfer paper on it, and I'm just going to place it where I want it on the sign. Okay, so technically I'm done, but I feel like it needs a little something else, like maybe something that I can put like right underneath countdown to Grinchmas, something across the bottom so that the bottom part will be the writing area for them to mark in the days of the countdown. I think I have an idea though. Okay, so I've got stickers. So I got these last year from Hobby Lobby. I have quite the stash of Christmas craft and things that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree over the past couple of years, which is very convenient because it's right down the street. My daughter and I, we're literally walking up there almost every other day, except for when it's really, really hot in Nevada during the summer months. So we rarely go up there. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, we still go. We still go to the Hobby Lobby and the Dollar Tree. But anyway, I'm gonna use these stickers right here. I'm going to add a little bit of wood glue on the back because it's self-adhesive. It does have a little stickiness going on in the back, but I'm just going to add a little dab of the wood glue just to make sure it doesn't fall off. Just that little extra security. I'm going to put the little tree right there, and then the snowflakes I'm just going to run right underneath countdown to Grinchmas. And then I'll be done. All right, guys, I am done. I love how this turned out. Those little snowflakes and the little tree, that's exactly what it needed. So let me know what you think about how this turned out in the comments below. And I will leave the link to the video of the countdown to Disneyland that I made last year in the description below for you so you can check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.